Hello all, welcome to the GVRD Automation World. Please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Right, quickly we will jump into the today's topic. Right, in this session, I'm going to previous session we have seen interview questions on collection. We have seen theoretical part. What are the programming questions we can expect on the collection programming collections? Right, these are some of the questions I have noted down. Right, I will explain one by one. Right, write a program to remove the duplicates from an array list. Right, we have to use all the collections. By using collections only, we have to do it. Right, removing the duplicates. Right, then I have noted down all. Right, here we can start the class name with underscore. Right, we cannot start with number directly. We will get compilation issue. Right, we can start with underscore and then followed by number. Right, here I have taken a array list dot add some numbers duplicate also. Right, list will allow duplicates. Now the question is how to remove these duplicates. Right, if I don't get any idea what we will say, we will iterate, we will compare already exist or not, we will remove it. Right, not required. Just simply pass this list to hash set. Hash set will not allow duplicates, right? If we pass the list object to the hash set constructor, it will automatically remove all the duplicate. It will automatically remove the first. I will print the list and then remove it. Then see, it will automatically remove the right. To remove the duplicates, just we need to add the first. We have a list. It will have a duplicates. Just add to the set. That's it. Right, what it will do, it will remove all the duplicates. It will print 1 2 3. Simple thing. Right. Then second question is write a program to iterate over hash map print key values. Right, this is simple question only. Right, everyone knows. But sometimes we will forget which. Right, there are multiple ways to iterate over the map. Right, this is the map. If you want to iterate by using entry set, map.entry set, it will return the what is the return type map of set of entries. Set of entries. Right. We can map.entry. We can remove map.entry. Right. We can also like directly entry. Right. Instead of map.entry, we can also let's see set of entries. Right. Entry. Just entry also we can write. We don't require map.entry. Then iterate. It is a set rate for each loop. This is a for each loop. Simple. Right, then say print entry dot get key get value. Otherwise, first we can get the keys. Right, map dot get keys and iterate over get keys and pass the get value. Map dot get value, pass the key. We'll get the like that also we can. Or iterator, we can use the iterator also. Right, anything is fine. Simple question. Next, third one is write a program to find second largest element in the array using a tree set. Using a tree set, how to find the second largest element. Right, first we have an array. Then what we can do? Add all these elements to set. All elements to tree set. Simply we can get tree set we don't have get method. Right, that is the trick here. Right, by mistakenly we will write get method. Set will not set don't have get method, it will not allow. So what we have to do? One thing is we can convert set to list and get size minus 2. Then we will get the last one. Otherwise, set dot poll last. There is a method. What it will do? retrieves and removes the last element. Retrieves and removes the last element. Then the next element is we can get set dot last. Set dot last. Right, simple thing. First we need to add array, iterate array and add to the tree set and poll last. That means it will retrieve and remove it. It will remove the last element. Last element is what? Tree set. Once you added, what it will become? Right, once right, just I will print here. Okay, system.out.println set. What it will print? Right, 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9. Now what is the output we want? 8. We want 8. Second largest is. Now we want to remove this. Set dot poll last. It will remove last one. Then set dot last. Because we don't have getter method. That's why we have to do like this. Right. This is also a one thing. We can get a second largest in the array. Or sometimes they will ask. We have discussed in the previous interview section. I explained how to get the second largest. We have to write some logic to get the second largest. Right. Fourth one is sort the custom objects. Right. Fourth one is sorting of the custom objects using comparator. Custom objects, how to sort? We can sort in two ways, either comparable or comparator. Here we want to sort by using comparator. First we have a employee class. Employee class, it has a ID, name, and the constructor we are assigning local variables to instance variable. Then first we have a array list of employees. List of employees we have. Okay, now I want to sort based on the name. Want to sort the based on the name. Right, we can write anonymous inner class. This is anonymous inner class. Collections dot sort. Collections dot sort. It will take two arguments. It will take two arguments. One is the list. One more is comparator. Right. Here we have to write anonymous inner class. New comparator of what type of class employee. And comparator will have compare method. We need to write the logic. Compare will have a two arguments. That is what type of comparator? Employee. Employee 1, employee 2. Here compare e1.name dot compare to e2.name. Right. It will print based on the names. Right. If you see A, first it will come A, then B, then J. Right, we have to write two string, then only it will print. If you don't have two string, what will happen? It will print the hash code. Suppose if you print now, see, it will print the hash code of the object. Two string, what is the purpose of two string overriding in the class? To print the content of it. How to generate two string? You can just right click source generate two string. That's it. If you want hash code equal or two string getter setter methods, we can right click source and we can generate it. Okay, like this. Either we can use comparable comparator. By using comparator, we can do like this. Right. Next question is write a program to reverse array list. Write a program to reverse an array list. Right, it is simple one only. Right, easily we can array list. We have collections dot reverse. We have a collections utility class reverse method. Just it will simply what it will do? It will print in the reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2. Or otherwise, suppose you will not getting immediately this one in your mind when the interview. Right, at the interview you are not getting immediately. Then what we can do? We can do for loop, indexed based for loop. We can iterate from last to first. Last to first. Right, something we have to tell at the to the interviewer so that at least he will satisfy. If you don't tell anything, right, then something we have to tell. Right, next question is write a program to find frequency of. This is the common question we are getting nowadays. Write a program to find frequency of each element in an array using hash map. Suppose see, I have an array. Right, I want to find how many times 1 occurred, 2 occurred, 3 occurred, 4. Or string. Sometimes they will ask each character how many times occur. Alright, for everything same logic only. Here we have to take string integer comma integer. Right, map we have created integer comma integer. Iterate one by one array, one by one element from the array. Add to map. That's it. Put number first. It will get 1. Then frequency map dot get or default. Get or default. Then pass the number. What is the number? 1. Get or default, what it will do? If number already there, if this is key, we are adding key, right? Key 1 comma how many time occurs, right? Next one is suppose 2 comma how many times occurs, suppose 1 time. Now first time what is happening? 1. First time there is no 1 in the map, it will get a 0. 0 plus 1 1, right? Next time again it will come 2. Is 2 is available? No, it will get a 1. It will retrieve 0. 0 plus 1 1. Next time 2 again, it's already there, right? 2 is already there. If getter default means get of 2. What is the count? How many times occurs previously? 1. 1 plus 1 2. Right, single. We no need to write if and else condition. Right, a simple map dot put number 3. Right, again map dot getter default number comma 0 plus 1. Right, simple. 7th question. Write a program to find union and intersection of two sets. Right, we have a two sets. We want to find union and intersection. Union and intersection. First of all, what is union? Suppose I have two hash sets. Right. First hash set has 1, 2, 3. Second hash set has 2, 3, 4. What is the union of it? Union means all the elements without duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Union means we have to combine these two by removing duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection means what? Common. Common elements both the sets. Common elements what are? 2, 3. 2, 3 are common in both the sets. How to get it? We can get it by using asset itself. Right. Here we are creating one more asset. Here two assets already there. One more asset we are creating. And in the constructor we are passing the set 1. That means then again union dot add all set 2. If we add, what will happen? It will remove duplicate automatically. In the set if we add, what will happen? Duplicates will remove, then union will come automatically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Then intersection. Intersection is the little tricky one. Right, one more hash set here I have created and pass the set 1. Right, set 1. Now it has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now set intersection dot retain all. Right, retains only the elements in the collection that are contained in the specified collection. Right, whatever retain all, what it will do? It will return the elements which are present in this map first. It will verify set 2 and what are available in set 1. It will verify, it will retrieve whatever available in both. Retain all. Right, it will return common elements. Now if I run it, let's see union 1, 2, 3, 4, intersection 2, 3. Right, we have to use the retain all. It will return only elements in this collection that are contained in the specified collection. In other words, removes the collection or collection of all its elements that are not contained in the specified element. Right, either remove, if you do remove, or only both sets contain same elements, so both are same. Right, but a little tricky. Retain all we should remember, right? Then one more important tricky question. Write a program to sort hash map by its values. If we want to sort by key, suppose they have given hash map. If they want to ask us to sort based on keys, then we easily tree map. We can iterate and set in the tree map. We can just convert hash map to tree map. Simple. It will sort based on the keys, but based on the values, it is a based on the values little tricky one. Right, suppose I have a map. Right, now I have a map. Here what I am doing, I am taking entry set. Right, what is entry set? Entry of right, set of entry set will come. I am converting the set of entries to list. I am converting these entries to list. Then what here I am doing, list dot sort, list dot, in the list there is a sort method. Sort method we can pass the comparator. We can pass the comparator. Right, here simply map dot entry dot. I think map can we remove. We'll see. Right, entry dot compare, comparing by value, comparing by key by value. Right, both we have. List dot sort entry dot compare by value. What it will do, it will automatically sort by value. Right, if I print, right, if I print, see 40 50 60 values are what, 50 40 60, right? Now 40 50 60, but we have to remember this. Right, list dot sort, list dot, first we have to create the list by using map dot entry set. Map dot entry set, we have to create the, right, we don't require map. Entry is fine. Map dot entry set, it will return entry of each element. Then sort entry dot compare by value or compare by key. Right, like this we can sort by value. Next one is write a program to merge to array list without duplicates. Right, they have given two array list. We need to create one more, right, without any duplicates. Right, here two array lists. We have two array lists. What we can do, simply linked as set. Keep it in the linked as set list one. While creating hash set, linked as set itself, pass the list one. Then as set dot add all list two. What it will do, it will automatically remove it. It will automatically remove the duplicates. Right, it will, we can print it. Simply we no need to convert, I think. We no need to convert, directly we can print the set. Right, it will. These are the different questions we can get on the collections. Thanks for watching. If you like, right, my way of teaching and content presentation, just subscribe to the channel. Please comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. Please comment in the comment section. Right, if you require this document, right, just comment in the comment section with your Gmail ID. I will share this document. Thanks for watching.